Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2. This mic is all the way up. That's good news. Put it on 6. Let's record some stuff. Are we recording? All right, guys. Good morning. Your boy is on his way to work, and let me tell you something. It's been raining like crazy. People in Dallas cannot drive. That's 100% facts.
Yeah, persistence is the word of the day, man. Like, it's weird, bro. Some days I come in and you just know exactly what it is you're gonna do, and shit knocks you off trail, and you get hit with fires you don't expect, and all kinds of stuff happens, or things that you thought were gonna go smooth don't go smooth. You know, actually, I had one point during the day today, man. I was kind of like, I was feeling a little overwhelmed. I'm like, man, I just don't even know if this makes sense right now. It's persistence, bro. Every time I push through, right, you hit the valley on the other side and it feels smoother. And you can start to see that your vision is coming together, man. You just can never give up on yourself, your dream, and what you know you're capable of. You know the capabilities of your team, man. Persistence. That's it for the vlog today. Persistence.
So a few years after that, we got into teaching people how to do what we did, because we got really good at doing what we did. So we started teaching people how to do what we did. We got into the, teaching people, and that's where, lo and behold, the school for cell phone repair. And I've always had a background in education too, because I've taught at technical schools. I've been an instructor. I was an instructor at our school for 4 years, I think, before we even hired more instructors. So that's kind of the history, and so we really have a passion, not for two things. We have a passion for this industry, and we have a passion for education in this industry, and really teaching people how to do this industry the way it's supposed to be done. But what we really understood is that we really didn't understand this industry the way we thought we knew it, because we only knew one side of it. And there's so many different facets and sides to this mobility business, and there's so many different ways that it works, and there's so many different types of customers, and there's so much different expectation and different types of service, and and different ways of doing business that we were not aware of. And so basically what we've done in the last 4 years is we've gone back to school for we kind of took time away, just to be totally transparent. And what we done and have done, we took a little time away and we went and got educated on the full scope of how this industry works all the way around. And I could honestly say it's almost like we went and got our master's degree or even doctorate degree in this industry of mobility. I don't even call it cell phone repair anymore. I just call it mobility, because it's all the way around. It's from top to bottom. It's it's so many different things that make up this mobility industry.
Now, under wraps, I can't really speak too much to it, because it's we got some new things coming to the market. All I can say is hold on to your hats, hold on to your trousers, young boys and ladies, because the industry is going to change in about 6 weeks, thanks to a lot of the hard work that we've been doing over the last year and a half with me, my team here, our partners in different places around the world. It's going to really change the industry. So that's the most I can say about it today. Just stay tuned. It's coming.
At the end of the day, what we like to do is we have a passion for this industry, and we want to make sure that this industry is being taken care of, and is being managed the correct way, and things are being done the way that they're supposed to be done. And so we have a huge interest in making sure that happens. That is my number one priority and dedication, is to make sure that people are not only enjoying doing and working in this industry, but understanding the realities of this industry. And that's what we're going to be doing. That's what we're here to do. We have a passion for that, and we're going to make that happen. It is our initiative and our goals to really set standards for this industry, to make sure that this industry is being managed the right way, so that it's good for everyone. It's long lasting. It's good not only for customers, it's good for servicers, it's good for suppliers, it's good for anybody who plays in this game, it's great for, right? Because that's what this game needs, and it really does. And that's what it's never had, and that's what we noticed. Again, I could say we're probably one of the few who have done it from front to back and really understand the full essence from what we call secondary market to tier one, right? We understand it fully. And so that's what we want to do. That is our mission, and that's our goal, and that's what we plan on doing, right? So stay tuned, because we're going to be bringing you guys some very, very interesting content, information, and hopefully, you'll be able to find a lot of value in it, and it's going to help you better your idea, your process, and your experience, and your pockets and your wealth in this mobility business. All right.